Once you finish the dimensional labyrinth, located over here, we can use the Skybridge gate in the northeastern side. Heading through this, we can do the usual grab and twist here, which unlocks the next area, and we'll need to just head down towards that lower gate down there, which should be pretty simple to do. There we go. We can then hit this teleporter, which takes us all the way through to the next location here, which is the Sanctum of Transcendence. Now from this section here, there is a pathway that slowly reveals itself and breaks apart in front of you, and you'll likely need to complete this. But just remember, these broken looking ones do fall away. Either ways, making your way through this. You should eventually make it to this next piece here, which allows us to jump straight towards the teleporter down here. Once you reach this teleporter, activate it, just in case, and we can continue towards the main puzzle. Up, around, more up to here, jumping across, and over here we've got a giant bismuth type door. Now we'll need to approach this door and do a focused force palm. So we'll come in front of it, we'll enter focus, we can then activate force palm, holding it, waiting until eventually you get to see the heart of this thing. Aim this little thing on your screen towards it, not the center of your screen, but the force palm center. Took a bit too long to do it there, but there we go. And this door then opens up. Inside of here, you'll see a ball drop behind you. I would just recommend sealing it in your cuckoo pot. Then to your right, in the center of this room, you can see another one of these doors, which we can sit in front of. Focus, hold force palm, aim towards the center, wait for it to go bright yellow, then force palm, opening it up. And inside of here, we're able to grab this little ball, seal it away, and we've got this little plate over here, which we can bring towards the center of the room. And you'll see just below you where that door was is where the plate fits in. We can then force palm it into place, climb back up, and you can see a door on the left. Now from this next door over here, we'll need to focus in front of it, just below it, enter force palm, line up this green circle with the center, wait for it to shine pretty bright. So over there, we can let go and we'll force palm through it, revealing another one of these balls we can grab and store away. So seal, and you can see a thing over there. Activating, we can climb up and force palm, or we can just grab on and force current to activate it. And once it completes, that's it. The Sanctum of Transcendence is done. No idea what you use the balls for, but you can seal them away for later. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.